2015 Yas Marina Blue M4. Pretty much got this car because I've always been a fan of M's. This is my second M. I previously had a E92 M3. I pretty much gave that up once the warranty expired and saw this thing at online. So I saw it as an opportunity to take advantage of it. So I've had this car for about 3 years, and I would say about within 6 to 8 months of owning the car, I pretty much modified and built it the way I wanted it to look and sound. First thing I did was throw on some BC Forged 20-inch staggered wheels. They're in brushed bronze. I always go for the aesthetics as far as just the exterior looks. That was my main concern, and I want to take care of that first. Next thing I did was the whole lip kit. You got the OEM lip with the painted to match with the carbon fiber splitters. Did some carbon fiber side skirts and a Forsteiner replica diffuser. And then I got a GTX wing from RW Carbon to match the whole look of the car and give that aggressive feel. Now, as far as sounds wise, I paired a Fab-speed exhaust, full exhaust, and it gives it a nice sound. Compared to the OEM sound, which is horrendous, which we all know. As far as mods to the engine, it's a full bolt-on. It's got drop-in charcoal filter. It's got downpipes, catless downpipes, and I'm with Boot Mod 3 Stage 2 tune. So it's pretty aggressive, and it's got them durables, which I love. So. It's not for everybody. Not everybody loves durables, but I do. Last thing I did on the car recently are these OSS style vision headlights. I got them done by Vin at Mod Emporium in New York. So he did a fantastic job and got what I needed done, and got it back to me in a timely manner, and that was the last modification I've done on the car. Being so dedicated and just into cars, I became one of the Houston admins for Texas M Club, based out of I think San Antonio, but we've got the Houston chapter that I manage, recruiting and hosting events, stuff like that. So I would say further down the line, I picked up a regular 530 and I just threw some wheels on it, and that was my first BMW. But then I finally got the itch to pull the trigger and get my first M by the age of 30. I got a 2008 Silverstone E92 M3 and fully modded the crap out of that. So, once I had the taste of driving and owning an M, I knew that I was going to own another M again. So, that was fully modded. And then once the extended warranty expired, because we know how it is with owning a BMW without extended warranty, either you get rid of it or you upgrade it. So what I did was upgrade it and picked up this one from BMW Clear Lake. I saw they had red interior, so at the time when I had the E92, I had red wheels to go with the look of the Silverstone. So I swapped those wheels on it and threw it onto here before I put on the BC Forge. So that's why the name Super Yas came about, because of the red and blue, combination. And I just kept that name, ever since, and it's just been blowing up. It's a really cool thing meeting friends from all walks of life from all over the world just on social media and sharing the same passion as you do. So that's pretty much it, and thanks for your time.